How to serve LLM model with LM Studio. Please subscribe and like our channel for more tutorials and videos. In this video, I will show you how you can serve LLM model with LM Studio. Start the LM Studio. Now click Ctrl L to load the models, and I am going to load the Qwen 3 model. Now it is being loaded. You can see now it is using 16 GB of VRAM and 31 GB memory. My GPU is NVIDIA RTX 5060 Ti 16 GB. So all is being used now, and you can see it is being still loaded, and the URL for this is here. Here is server setting as well. So this serve on local network and allow MCPs. So these are the different options, developer options that you can choose here. And if this is unclicked, then this model is served only locally. And if you want your model to be accessible from other computers in the network, then you should enable this. And now the IP address is changed. I can click this, just copy this URL and paste here. We are getting this response, which means model is being served. So this means it is working. Now I will show you how you can use it with Klein in Visual Studio. Create a new folder, and in this folder you just go this folder and run command code dot. So this is going to open the Klein. So this is open the Visual Studio, and we have Klein here. Now go to the settings, and from LM Studio you copy this URL and paste here. After this you should enter v1. So IP address /v1 and any key here, and model name is Qwen 3 coder. Model name is Qwen 3 coder. Next, finally click done. Now we can chat with the model. Hi, send a message hi. Open the LM Studio and you can see this communication messages here. Now the model is thinking, and in task manager you can see the usage of GPU and CPU. Just wait for the response. Now we are getting the response from the model. Hello, I am ready to help you with your project. Your current working directory is empty. How can I assist you today? Would you like to create a new project or application, add files or code to the existing project, work on a specific task or features? I will simply ask for create a Python hello world example, and in no time it will create the example. See the CPU and GPU uses. So the user wants me to create a Python hello world example. I will create a simple Python script that prints hello world to the console. And this is the hello world.py. Now it is thinking. So in this process, GPU is being used and CPU is also used. This way you can use the 16 GB RTX 5060 Ti card to run your local coding. So Python is not installed on this system. The user system has Python alias that points to Microsoft Store. I should try to use. So now I think it is installed, and we can try to run Python. Hello world. So Python is not found here, so it is not running the program. So you can see how Klein is debugging all the errors and supporting us into the programming. So Python is not installed. I should create a readme file with the instruction on how to run the Python script once Python is installed, and provide information about installing Python. So it is creating a readme text file. It is creating readme.md file and providing all the details how to install the Python and then run the program. So Qwen3 coder next can be used for running the local LLM and use this for local programming. So it's created the readme.file. It created the readme.md file. The readme was created successfully. Now I have completed all the tasks. Create a Python hello world program, verify the file was created correctly, attempt to run the program and create the readme with instruction. So hello world.py, a simple Python program that prints hello world, readme.md instruction on how to run the script. To run the script, we need to run hello world Python and then hello world.py, and it should print hello world message. So you can see we can easily deploy the model on LM Studio and using the I have showed you how you can deploy a model on LM Studio and make it available through web API and use into the client. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.